Oh yeah, we about to cook up for this G. Got the carbon trunk and hood and fenders. About to throw this crazy new color on it right here. My old color of the Q. Sheesh. Got another G. About to get a full wrap. We about to get started on this G37 in my old color, and this thing is gonna turn out crazy. We're about to jump right into it. We're about to wash this thing, get it ready and prepped, and we're gonna be doing this color right here, which should turn out crazy. We're gonna be leaving some exposed carbon, some partial wrap carbon. Let's get straight into it. Just got this thing washed. About to start disassembly. We're about to get started straight on this. You're gonna be getting my old color. We're about to completely transform this thing. We're gonna be doing partial on the carbon fenders and leaving the trunk and the hood exposed. But this thing got a bunch of carbon. Got the diffuser with the third brake light. Also got the side skirts as well. Some clear tail lights. We just washed this thing. About to get it ready. He's also going to be getting a brand new front lip, carbon antenna, and we're going to do a partial on these mirrors. Can't wait to see how this thing turns out. color hitting. Just gotta finish the side skirt, the roof, and the rear bumper today. Finishing up on this. We're gonna put that front lip on. Got this car completely done, and this thing looks sick. I'm about to get some videos of the car, get this thing ready for pickup. Should be here in a minute, but we're gonna go ahead and air this thing out. Sheesh. Nah, that joint look crazy. Woo, outside look way better. Alright YouTube, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time.